Are you a business owner struggling with a Google Business Profile suspension? This video is for you. We'll demystify hard suspensions, explain why reinstatement requests often fail, and, most importantly, provide a clear roadmap for creating a new, successful Google Business Profile and even transferring your valuable customer reviews. Get ready to regain your online visibility. Experiencing a Google Business Profile suspension can be incredibly frustrating for any business owner. Your online visibility takes a hit, and connecting with customers becomes challenging. But what exactly happens when your profile gets suspended? A hard suspension means your Google Business Profile has been completely removed from Google Search and Maps due to severe policy violations. This often includes deceptive content, misleading information, or Google account issues that flag your profile as untrustworthy. When your profile faces a hard suspension, reinstatement requests are almost always denied. Google's automated systems and human reviewers deem the violations too severe to simply reactivate the old profile. It's a clean slate situation. So what's the solution if reinstatement isn't an option? The only way to get your business back on Google is to create an entirely new Google Business Profile. This crucial step is often overlooked. To create a truly fresh start, you must create a brand new Google Gmail account. Using your old account might link back to the suspended profile, leading to further issues. Once you have your new Google Gmail account, you can proceed to create a brand new Google Business Profile from scratch. This process is similar to setting up your initial profile, but with fresh data. After creating your new profile, you'll need to go through the verification process again. This is typically done via video verification, postcard, or phone. You can find detailed instructions and explainer videos on our website. A common concern for business owners is losing their valuable customer reviews. The good news is, in specific scenarios, reviews can be transferred from your hard suspended profile to your new one. For service area-based businesses, when creating your new profile, you'll need to temporarily list a new service area, different from your original. This is a crucial step to enable the review transfer process. Once your new profile is successfully verified, we can then initiate the process to move the reviews from your suspended profile to this new, verified listing. This step ensures your hard-earned reputation is retained. After the reviews have been successfully moved, you can then revert your service area back to its original, correct location. This ensures your profile accurately reflects your business operations. For brick-and-mortar businesses, the process for transferring reviews is slightly different, but still achievable. Similar to service area businesses, when creating your new profile, you'll temporarily list a new physical address. This temporary address helps facilitate the review transfer process. Once your new profile is verified with the temporary address, we can then transfer your existing reviews from the suspended profile to your new listing. This preserves your customer feedback. After the reviews are successfully moved, you can then update your new profile to reflect your original, correct physical address. This ensures accuracy and consistency for your customers. Navigating a Google Business Profile hard suspension can be daunting, but with the right steps, you can restore your online presence and preserve your valuable customer reviews. To recap, create a new Google Gmail account, build a new Google Business Profile, get it verified, and then, if applicable, we can help transfer your reviews by temporarily adjusting your service area or address. For more detailed instructions, including video verification guides and other helpful resources, visit our website. We're here to help you get your business back on track.